the morning quick shot, brought to you by Trade Stalkers and Ninja Pro Trader Indicators. It's 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. Next 3 to 5 minutes, give you the targets for the upside, targets for the downside, possible areas of consolidation. First of all, we got FOMC meeting today at 1300 Central, but at 9:30 we have crude oil inventories. This could be a major impact on the market again, so we got to be careful of that. And then late tonight. We got the BOJ governor, Kuroda speaks, so we got to be careful about that for some overnight movement. So now let's get started in the market. Looks like we had a open up here last night of about 2042 somewhere in here. Overnight highs of 2049.50. As you can see, we move right back through the moving median, the 24-hour zones, and right down in here for overnight low of 2040.50. Now we bounced right back up to test this next zone this morning at 2074. Let's get this right, 2047 up to 2048 here. Came right back down, just kind of holding right here at this zone now, and dropped right back into the bottom of this zone. Thought we were headed for a double bottom this morning, but it seemed to have stopped right here, pulled back up into this 24-hour median, might move back up into this 24-hour VWAP before settling back down here again, possibly moving for the overnight lows to the bottom of this yesterday's zone of 2040.50. So that's what we're going to be looking for this morning to hit this. We'd like to see it come back here to this 2040.50 for a good double bottom bounce, take us right back up into the 24-hour VWAP for first target, and then close on above here. However, to the downside, should this fail right here, it's going to come down, test this at 2040, going to go right back up into this zone somewhere, uh, maybe even all the way back when the 24-hour VWAP catches up to it down into here. So somewhere between 43.50 and 42, and then we're going to drop right back down. Target's going to be down here in the 37.75 area, and then followed by a little bit of retracement back up into this overnight low of 2040, and then we'll head right back down into this next zone of 35 to 33, and of course next zone down at 28 to 26. So be cautious with that. Take some targets at each zone and be careful. So let's take a look into the upside now. If we come back this morning and it does exactly what we said initially, it just runs right by this 24-hour VWAP. It comes up into the zone. Still want to be cautious. We had some consolidation in this area, and that's where most of us likely to be until market open, and possibly till the crude oil inventories there at 9:30. So be real cautious on those areas. So I would wait for a long draw unless you could get in right here at this zone and trust that we're going to go up into here. Possible long is at 43.50, assuming we're going to go up to here to this next zone at 2047. Then I would take profits to get out of way for oil inventories. Uh, if they are good, then I would come up here and would want to wait to the market to trade above, maybe hit this double top for an overnight high of 49.50. Wait for it to trade back into the zone, test this support right here at 47, and then go long for a straight up. It'll pause here at the 51 area, a little bit of fluctuation, but we should drive right up into this 53 area if the buyers have taken control. Now this area looks like it's going to be real tough to get through today. We've got three major zones and pivots in here, so we're going to be real cautious. Could be a lot of consolidation in this area unless the oil inventories just are really, really low and the market's going to drive all the way up. If we could get through this zone, there'll be a little bit of retracement into one or both of these zones down here at 54 and 53, and then it'll drive right back up, and we should have clear selling up to the 60. Obviously, we know this 2060 area, the 2062 and possibly 2063 area is really strong resistance. So be cautious of that today. So get your trades on early, leave your trail stops on forever. This is Frank. Have a great day.